Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg vegetable fried rice. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice, 2 large eggs, and 1 cup of your favorite mixed vegetables, finely chopped. Having everything prepped beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get cooking. First, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, crack in 2 large eggs and quickly scramble them until they are just set but still soft. Remove the cooked eggs and set them aside. Now, add your 1 cup of chopped mixed vegetables to the same pan and stir-fry for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp. Next, it's time to add the star of the show, your 3 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice. Break up any clumps with your spatula, ensuring the rice is evenly distributed in the wok. Pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Stir everything together thoroughly, making sure the rice is well coated with the seasonings and vegetables. Finally, return the scrambled eggs to the wok and gently fold them into the rice and vegetable mixture. Continue to stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring everything is heated through and well combined. Taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Garnish your delicious egg vegetable fried rice with fresh chopped green onions and serve it immediately for a satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.